In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message to a seller on PayPal. This simple process will take just about 5 minutes, and it's an essential skill to have, especially if you encounter any issues with your transactions. Whether it's a question about the item you purchased, or you need to resolve an issue directly with the seller, knowing how to contact them through PayPal can save you time and prevent further complications. First, let's begin by logging into your PayPal account. Head over to PayPal's official website and use your credentials to access your personal dashboard. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, make sure you have your phone or email handy for the verification code. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your account overview. Next, look for the Activity tab at the top of the page. Click on this tab, and it will lead you to a history of your transactions. This tab is extremely helpful because it organizes all of your PayPal activity, allowing you to quickly find recent purchases or any transactions you need to review. Now that you're on the Activity page, you'll want to click on All Transactions. This option expands your view to include every transaction you've made, making it easy to navigate through your purchase history. Once here, you can scroll through the list or use the search function if you remember specific details about the transaction, such as the seller's name or the date of purchase. Locate the transaction for which you need to contact the seller. Simply click on it to view all the details related to that purchase. PayPal provides a comprehensive breakdown of each transaction, including the amount, the seller's name, and any messages previously exchanged. If you're not finding what you're looking for, you can alternatively click on the Help section located at the bottom of the PayPal page. This section is particularly useful if you have a broader issue or don't see the desired transaction. In the Help section, enter the query, "How do I open a dispute with a seller?" This will bring up a detailed guide on how you can address and resolve disputes directly through PayPal. Once you've found and selected the appropriate dispute option, PayPal will guide you on how to proceed. They offer step-by-step instructions on opening a dispute, which is the formal process for alerting the seller of an issue. This procedure ensures that your concerns are documented and gives you leverage, should the matter need further resolution. And there you have it, a straightforward method to send a message to a seller on PayPal. This skill not only helps you maintain clear communication, but also empowers you to manage your transactions effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating your PayPal transactions with confidence.